Hey guys, so I have a story time for you all. Now, there was a snowstorm that happened here in Browns Mills, New Jersey, and the lights had went out for like a few hours. So my mom and I had to go to my grandmother's house and spend the night there. It was awful. I couldn't believe that happened. It was crazy. Luckily, the next day when we went back to our house, the electricity was on, so that was good. Any natural disasters that happen like that, you have to be prepared for anything, and make sure you have enough flashlights or candles or anything, and make sure that your cell phone, is charged, or your laptop, anything that you have, you know. That way you'll still have some power left. And make sure not to run the battery as well. Yeah. We used to have a hurricane a few years ago that happened. It's always something. But yeah, so that happened, and you haven't gotten anything, like that yet. Hopefully it doesn't happen. But so yeah, that's my story time for you all. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please give it a like and make sure you subscribe and turn on the notifications so you don't miss any videos. Love you guys. Bye.